how we can find out the square of any number by using diagonal method. So let's see how. Let's suppose we have to find out the square of 125, right? By using the diagonal method. So what we will do, first of all, we will draw a square of 3 by 3 because we have 3 digits here. So we will make a square of 3 by 3. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have made a square of 3 by 3. Then we will divide it diagonally. Each box we will divide it diagonally. As you can see, I have divided it diagonally. Right? Now, we will write the number 125 on each box outside it, and here also. Vertically also we will write it, and horizontally also we will write the same number. Right? Now, what we will do, we will start multiplying the number. How? Just see. First of all, we will multiply 1 to 1. It will be 1. So we will not write only 1. What we will write? 0, 1. Then we will write 1 to 2. So 1 times 2 will be 0, 2. Then what we will do? We will multiply 1 to 5. 1 multiply 5 will gives us 0, 5. We will follow the same procedure with each number. Now, then we will multiply 2 into 1, that is 0, 2. Then 2 into 2, that is 0, 4. Then 2 into 5, that gives us 10, which is 1, 0. By following the same procedure, we will multiply 5 ones are 5. 5 multiply 2, 10. 5 multiply 5, 25. Now we have done with this process. Now step number 2 comes. We will add all the numbers that come diagonally. That comes diagonally. So the first diagonal from where we are going to start this. In this what is coming? Only 5. So we will write 5. Then what is coming in this portion? 0, 2, 0. So by adding the number we will get 2. Then again 5, 1, 4, 1, 5. When we will add all these numbers, 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5, what we will get? We will get 16. Right? Now the next diagonal 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. So what we will get here? 4 by adding all the numbers. Same procedure next here. What we will get? 0, 1, 0. So it would be 1. Right? It would be 1. Then at the last there is 0. So it will be counted as 0. So now what you will notice here, the numbers we get are 5, 2, 16, 4, then 1 and then 0. So what we will do? We will add all the numbers, all the resultant numbers unit place. We will take their unit place. So when we will take the units place, we will take this, we will take this, we will take this. Now here 2 digits are there. So we will carry forward this 1. So when we will carry it forward, so this 1 will add into 4. So it will become 5. Now here is 1. So by looking at all the digits which I have marked with black, so my answer would be 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. And it would be a square of 1, 2, 5. It will be considered as a square of, is a square of 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. So here I hope it is clear that how we can find the square of any number by using the diagonal method.